Hello there. So, I cut my hair myself last year, so this isn't like a Bella's having a mental breakdown, I'm gonna cut her hair type of video. I have cut my hair beforehand. It went well. I want to trim, so let's get into it. Okay, for the best part, I'm just going to dampen the hair around our areas a bit more. So have that. Once again, brush this. Doesn't do much. Make sure these are aligned. And the fun part. Right. And I'm cutting right above the hair tie, and we are going for it. I kind of changed my angle, and I'm afraid of what has happened, but it is all right. We have separated. Oh God, this is not what's happened beforehand. There's so much hair here, and it is not exactly, but we have that tuft. It is, you can see the varying here. We will fix that later. Yeah. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. But look at it. Oh. We have made an uh-oh spaghetti-o. What you want to do, and I am also not looking at this well, you want to have a straight across approach. And then it is nice and taut. There is no angle there. And I'm afraid I'm angling in this one as well. I'm so angling in this one as well. Oh, lordy. Oh. I'm pulling, and it is not going. I do not like these scissors. Oh. 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 Okay, so we have our hair. Very nice here. And the main fun time comes. Okay, currently this looks semi-even. You see these cuts there? We will fix that. No worries. Okay, so we are going to take out the rubber bands and see what mess I've created this time. You can definitely see the error, but I feel like it is shorter than I wanted, which always happens. But we can't do anything about that now, and we move on. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Well, no. It is... We're going to brush this out first before we scream. Obviously, I'm not keeping it like this. I know you just kind of like, you want to even it out, make it look more natural. You do not want, or at least I do not want, a blunt haircut right now. So, grabbing from the back in the front, it does not look too bad. I feel like I did the evenness factor quite alright. I do have a back, and we will be figuring that out right now. Hello. Oh, Zooey Mama. Oh, yeah, why didn't I just... Okay, so I'm seeing what you guys are seeing.
I'm in fact not seeing what you guys are seeing. I thought it looked okay. I did not see this mess.
You see this? We do not like that.
We do not like anything about this.
Last year went so much better. I have jinxed myself to eternity. Little nub here, and I'm going to chop that off. Back nub. Evil. Crooked man. As in, I cut crooked and I am the man. There was a big mistake. Oofda. Ooh, you betcha. Oh, wow. I have a speech meet tomorrow. We are going to I'm not going to be a fail. And holy buckets. Holy buckets. Holy buckets. Oh, oh, oh. That looks so bad. Okay, I'm just going to cut these few lads off. Okay, so hopefully it is a bit nicer. I do see that we have that downward sweep. It is so not even, but that's all. Yeah. But it is alright. Now we're going to just kind of trim it up and try to make it look even. Yay! So I took a photo and I saw how bad it is in the back. Now we are going to go into the haircut. I'm going to get a haircut tomorrow after speech to fix this. I'm not going to mess around with it more. So, yeah. Or I can have my stepmom try to fix it because I cut at an angle. That's your problem, folks. So, now, hi, welcome to Bella trying to figure out how I can have my hair for speech tomorrow without it looking like that, like that. A complete updo is what we need. Buns don't work. My hair tie just snapped, and that was my nice red one that matched my pants. Whew. I need a calming breath. I should have left it alone. I should have left it alone. That's way too many bobby pins I need. You know what? We're gonna go with the ponytail, because that kind of hides somewhat of the damage. Thanks for experiencing this with me. I'm afraid to see how short my hair will be after it is fixed.
Hello, editing and quarantine Bella here. So, miraculously, whatever I did by just doing this a lot with scissors, I didn't go to the hairdresser. I didn't have anyone else fix or touch my hair after that night. So you didn't see, but I basically took scissors and just like up and down my hair. Obviously, I'm not going to do that now because that would be cutting it more, and we're not doing that. But here on screen right now is the photo that I took, and that was after cutting that chunk. I did not see the whole thing from my reaction there, and here is the picture of my hair at the speech meet. You can see my blazer of how my hair looked. I have no idea how I went from this to that. But yeah, I tried putting it in a low bun and it like worked out, and then as soon as I got off the bus it fell apart, and I was asking everyone and it was like, what does it look like? How does it look? And they're like, no, Bella, it looks fine. I'm like, you're lying to me. And because I showed them the screenshot and it was like, because this is what my hair looked like, and they're like, oh my god, no, it looks fine. But it's one of those things where you need to see it for yourself. So that was the picture. Yeah, somehow I fixed cutting my hair. And this was pre-quarantine. This was pre-coronavirus. This was just me like, hey, I'm gonna cut my hair. So, moral of the story, there is none. My message for you guys is don't cut Bangs. You can cut your own hair, that's fine. That can be fixed. Do not cut your own bangs during quarantine. Don't do it. Okay? Well, my name is Bella. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the flip side, hopefully outside. Bye.